SaleHoo Dropship is a popular e-commerce platform used by many successful dropshippers. In this video, I'm going to review SaleHoo across several different categories, including pricing and subscription costs, integration with other e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, as well as automation features and so much more. Choosing the wrong platform to host your e-commerce business can be a huge waste of time and money, so keep that in mind and watch this video all the way to the end so that you'll have all the information you need to decide if SaleHoo could be the right platform for your business. Now, for your convenience, I've included the link to SaleHoo in the description of this video so you can check it out. Let's talk about product sourcing and suppliers. SaleHoo Dropship provides access to a comprehensive directory of suppliers, including vetted wholesalers and dropshippers. This ensures product quality and reliability with a wide range of products available. Each supplier is thoroughly vetted to meet SaleHoo standards for quality and reliability. Let's talk about pricing and subscription. So if we look on their website right here in the pricing section, then you can see that they have a few different plans. So we're looking at SaleHoo Dropship, and so they have a basic plan for $27 a month and a premium for $97 a month. If you change it to annual, then you'll save 17%, so you can save a decent amount of money, which is what I would recommend. But if you're just getting started out, you should just try it out for like a month or so and see if you like it. You should start with the basic plan, and you can see everything that's included. You get up to 500 high profit products, automate your dropshipping store, you get a sub-user account, a personal email support, and a bunch of other stuff. All of them come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't like it for any reason, you can get your money back within 30 days, no questions asked. So basically, you get to try it out for free, essentially, no risk for 30 days. Let's talk about integration and automation. SaleHoo Dropship integrates with major e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and many others, including WooCommerce and eBay as well. It also offers automation for order processing and inventory management, reducing the need to do this manually. Let's talk about integration and automation. SaleHoo Dropship integrates with major e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, and more. It also offers automation for order processing and inventory management, reducing the need for manual tasks. Automation features include real-time inventory updates, order synchronization, and automatic tracking updates. Let's talk about user interface and experience. So SaleHoo's interface is quite user-friendly and well organized, making it easy for users to navigate and utilize the platform's features effectively. This enhances the overall experience, and it's really good for people that are especially new to dropshipping. SaleHoo also offers tutorials and resources to help users get started. I'll mention that in a bit though. Let's talk about customer support. SaleHoo offers excellent customer support, and they actually have a great help center here, like I mentioned earlier. They have all sorts of questions that you can get answers to. They have different categories, so they even have tutorials for like learning how to dropship if you have no idea. If you're new to this business model, you can educate yourself through their training. So I have lots of resources to help you out. You can also chat with them or send them an email. If you need more help, they also have a forum where people discuss things and they share their own information and insights, so you can get help from other people as well. And if that's still not enough, you can still contact them through phone or email as well. Let's talk about shipping and delivery. So SaleHoo offers reliable shipping options through its network of trusted suppliers. Delivery times and tracking depend on the supplier's location and shipping method, ensuring transparency. SaleHoo works with reliable carriers to ensure timely and secure deliveries. Let's talk about market research and analytics. SaleHoo provides extensive market research tools, including product trend analysis and competitor analysis. These tools help users make informed inventory decisions, optimizing their product offerings. Users can access detailed reports on sales performance, customer behavior, and market trends. Let's talk about returns and refunds management. So SaleHoo has very clear return and refund policies in place, and they support users in managing these processes efficiently. This helps to ensure customer satisfaction, and overall it's just good for people that are using the platform. It's better for building a brand and for gaining trust so they can sell more products to the same customer repeatedly over the years. users. Let's talk about trust and reliability. SaleHoo is known for its reliability and security, employing robust measures to protect user data and ensure safe transactions. This builds trust among its users and ensures a safe dropshipping environment. The platform is compliant with industry standards and they regularly update their security protocols. Now let's talk about value-added services. SaleHoo offers value-added services such as marketing tools and educational resources, which I've shown you earlier. They also have a community forum for additional support and networking as well. These resources support business growth and enhance the user experience. SaleHoo also offers webinars and expert advice on e-commerce best practices. They have entire courses for free as well that you can take and learn from. Now at this point, if you're not happy with the way your business is running, you have two options, and I made a little meme here to drive my point home. Let me just zoom in because I'm too cheap to purchase this. So as you can see here, you've got two options. You can be this guy or you can be the Chad. So what's the difference here? Well, the Chad runs his business like a machine using cutting edge tools to free up his time. He works on his business, not in it, right? Chad is the guy who, if he sees a great software or a great tool to add automation to his business, if he can free up his time, he's going to do it. He doesn't want to use clunky software that breaks. He doesn't want to have to manually add data or, make changes and things like that. He doesn't want to have to manually issue refunds on his own, like at 3 a.m. in the morning, right? He sets up systems. What does this guy do? Well, he does manual labor because he's too lazy to use high leverage platforms. He's basically a slave to his own business, right? His business, he's working in his business, basically an employee. He doesn't actually run the business. He's just working in the business because he doesn't have automations. He's not using powerful softwares and leverage tools to free up his time and run the business on autopilot. So you can decide which one you want to be. If you're not happy with the way your business is running, if your tools are clunky, I would recommend being the Chad and making a change. I've included all relevant links in the description of this video so you can check them out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.